Alright, I'm in the trap. Scalp me out. Come on. Don't do that to me. Scalp me out. Scalp out on the trap. Got more to go here. Hey guys, this is Buy Money and welcome to my live trading journal with live commentary scalping the E-mini using only one single setup, the two-legged pullback. If you don't know what the two-legged pullback is, simply it's a setup that looks like this. We call this the first pullback, first entry, second pullback, and second entry right here. You like to enter into the second entry. You can also identify it this way: A, B, C, and the next A leg we like to enter here. And so we like to find this setup in key areas such as moving averages, support resistance levels, trend lines, channels. And the reason why this is such a high probable trade is because whenever the market makes two attempts at something, at the second attempt the market feels way more confident to enter in. For instance, if I grab this two-legged pullback and I bring it to the chart here, we see that we have one pullback. We call this the first entry, second pullback, and here is the second entry right here. We like to enter second entry, the top of this resistance. Also, again, if I move this here, we have another two-legged pullback. We consider it an A, B, C leg here, and again at the top of the trading range, we see that we have another two-legged pullback with a good signal bar here, and again, another two-legged pullback. If we move this here, first pullback, first entry, second pullback, second entry. This one doesn't have as strong as a signal bar, but the key area is good. And so, right off the 20 MA. And so we see here that even on this chart, we can see three two-legged pullbacks are successful for a point here. And I can also go the long ways, and we can see that even the long ways, we have many successful two-legged pullbacks here as well. We like to find this setup because of how high the probability is to scalp a point. And with every scalp, we can make over $200. And I say over because we scalp out about 200, and we like to have one runner, which is potential gains for thousands of dollars. And so, yep. So in this video, I'll just say this right now, that today's session was very difficult, and I had to sit on my hands a lot. And I thought the price action was confusing and didn't really give me clear price action till maybe too late into the day. And for me, I'm not able to look at the charts all day, and so at the times I was able to look at it, I was able to scalp a couple points. And on this video, you'll see my live trades. And I hope, if you want to know more information about this setup, you can check out the description below, and there are playlists to go into details of how to count legs and so forth. If you see on the charts, there's a couple indicators here, numbers above and below the candles. This is an indicator that automatically counts legs and identifies second entries, and also a trading range indicator that automatically finds trading ranges using pure price action. So if you want to know more information about these indicators, you can check out the official website at www.twoleggedpullback.com. That's it for the introduction. If this stuff is helpful for you and you like the content that's on this channel, and you find that you enjoy it, it helps us a lot. If you want to support us, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with a friend. Let them know that this information out there exists and that it's free for them, available for them to learn more about how to scalp. And so, yep. And stick around for my live trades. And as always, happy trading and God bless. We may get a trap set up here, which would be nice. I will be interested in a trap here. Trap will actually be way up here. Alright, I'm in the trap. Scalp me out. Come on. Don't do that to me. Scalp me out. Scalped out on the trap. Got more to go here. Thinking bottom of this trading range will give some resistance, but no joy on runner. No joy on runner. So you can see reversal happening here. Double bottom. We're at the top of this channel here now. So the channel created from this pivot, this pivot, this pivot created a support here. And when the support was hit, it double bottomed on us. Good. Reversal bars here. Strong bull bar. Higher low setup. So this is a good trade in itself. Comes back down, gives you a little bonus, gives you a little pullback here for anyone want to enter in, and then comes back up. So that was a discount for anyone can enter here. But this is a reversal pattern, right? Double bottom with a higher low setup, break of trend. You can find that on Albrook's website. He gives like top 10. Anyone who doesn't take advantage of Albrook's free stuff is just a fool in my opinion. He has a bunch of free stuff. He has like top 10 best setups he uses, and so this is one of them. Reversal patterns. So basically, reversal patterns, you have this break of trend. You could even do this if you want to extend the trend, saying this is too steep for a trend. Let's get at least one leg back for a trend. You can consider this as a trend, right? Consider this as a trend, whatever it is. You have a break of trend here, and we come back to test. Right, one pullback. Basically, it says from a trend there's one pullback, and then resumption of trend, and then another pullback. And that second pullback is typically the reversal. And so we like to, if you want to be more risky, you can enter here. Before me, I like to only trade two-legged pullback. So if this was a two-legged pullback, I might have considered this trade. Also, is the bottom of this trading range, but also. The safer option is actually to enter into the higher low. So you see one push up and it's okay, kind of confirms that we're reversing here, and then you go into higher low setup, and so people are more confident entering here, so they think this is a reversal. Two-legged pullback. A, B, C. I'll be interested in going long here. Depending on how, I feel like obviously shoots down here, not really interested, but comes down to the 20 MA-ish maybe, the good signal bar. Very, very interested in this trade. Again, I think we're going to come to here, maybe at least to here. It's typically act as magnets. So we do have a break below. We have a two-legged pullback created. I'll be waiting here. Actually be here. I'm going to come with a retracement. Try to come with a retracement here. I'm going to zoom in so I can be a little more precise. With a two-legged pullback. The higher low setup. Off the 20 MA after breakout. Also, it's a trap. Why is it a trap? Well, because you have this as well. First pullback, first entry, second pullback. Second entry fails to make a point. Ooh, okay, here we go. There we go, I'm in the trade. It's a second entry, fail second entry short, also second entry long trade here. Thinking at least in the top of this trading range, created by the trading range indicator, plenty of room there. Let's focus on the scalp first. There's a scalp. What a setup. What a setup. I wish I had more. I would get out the rest here, but we'll just ride this runner. No joy on runner. But we scalped out there. Hopefully you can see the setup here. Failed breakdown. Coming back up, and then had this fail second entry short, second entry long setup here, and yeah, I mean, it's very hard to see if you don't have the indicator, but the indicator makes it so easy. Dark green number with a magenta box around it shows you it's a second entry with a trap. So a lot of people ask, you know, what, isn't it just better to learn how to count manually? And of course, that all helps, but why make trading harder than it actually is? You can have this indicator and it'll just automatically tell you where these traps, like, I think it's very difficult to recognize trap, second entry traps combination manually. I think it's actually kind of difficult to do that while you're live trading, because you basically have to learn how to count both sides at all times. And so this indicator does automatically for you, so it's one of the benefits. And so that's one easy scalp right there. Interested here to go long. Bounce off. Going long here. Bouncing off yesterday's close. Strong bear bar, but fading the bottom of this trading range with a two-legged pullback. It's a perfect two-legged pullback back to the bottom of the yesterday's close. Waiting to get scalped out here. Perfect scalp. Still not filled. Potential trap trade here. Makes me want to skunk it, but I'll wait. Holding. Be patient. Pretty certain we can get a point here. Character of the market has been trading range all day. Still didn't get filled. There we go. Goodness gracious. See how high this runner can go. Probably not very high. No joint runners today.